Is your Toshiba Fire TV stuck on searching for your remote after you have reset your TV or updated it, but you can turn on your TV using the remote and even select the language? We have had the exact same problem, and after hours of trying, we figured out how to fix it. For most of you, you're stuck in searching for your remote simply because your Fire TV remote is not paired to your TV. First of all, simply try holding down the home button while pointing it at your TV and keeping it near, and keep holding it for 10 seconds until you see the orange light flashing. If it doesn't work, then try replacing your remote's batteries in case you have been using them for a while. Now try holding down the home button once again with fresh batteries, and you should see your remote get connected to your TV in a second. If you have already tried going to pairing mode, but your TV won't just detect the remote and the light keeps blinking, then it's not just you. We have also tried pairing a different Fire TV remote, but both of it gave the same result. So if you want to make sure it's not your remote, you can try that too. Now let's move to the next step. We're gonna cold boot our Toshiba Fire TV by unplugging the power cord and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. And while the TV is unplugged and we are waiting, it's also recommended to hard reset your Fire TV remote. To do this, with the TV unplugged, you'll need to hold down the left, back, and menu button together for 12 seconds. So let's hold them down together and count till 12. After that, you'll need to take out the batteries from your remote. Then when you're finished waiting, plug your TV back in and turn it on using the power button of your TV. And when searching for your remote shows up, put the batteries back into your remote and try pairing once again. This will fix it for 99% of you. But a lot of people had the issue where it didn't work. In that case, what worked for us is actually resetting our TV to factory default settings. And to do it without your remote, you'll have to start by unplugging your TV once again. While it's unplugged, hold down the power button, then plug your TV back in. Let go of the power button when the Toshiba Fire TV logo shows up, and you'll be in Android recovery. From here, you can try wipe cache partition first, and if it doesn't work, then choose wipe data/factory reset. Just short press the power button to go down, then to select, hold the power button until the option turns green, then let go down to yes, and select it by long pressing on the power button again. In the bottom left corner, you can see the data wipe is complete, so just select Reboot System Now. And now you may not even get the searching for remote screen, and even if you get it, just hold down the home button and it will only take a fraction of a second to get connected. In some rare cases, if it didn't work in the first try, just be patient and have faith and try it a couple more times. And then you'll be able to set up your TV in no time and start enjoying your favorite content. Make sure to let us know if this helped you out, and I'll see you around.